you all are doing great, and hi to all the new viewers and those who have joined me newly. So if you are a person who likes home decoration, DIYs and creating a beautiful space in your home and learn new things without spending more and in budget, then you are in the correct place. So here in my channel, I will teach you lots and lots of creative things, how you can do magic using small and tiny things that are already around your home. So today again we are going to create a new space for your home using plants and planters. So in today's episode, I'll be taking you to a plant shop. We'll do some shopping and we'll pick up some plants together, and then finally we will use those planters, and I'll show you how we can create a beautiful space in your home. Without delay, let's quickly go shopping, get the planters, and I'll show you very different ways how you can use a plant and antique piece and join them together, and here we go, and you get a beautiful space in your home. So without delay, let's get started. So here we have reached the nursery, and as you can see there are a variety of plants all around. So as per your choice and your budget, you can choose whichever kind of plants you need. So there are flowering plants, succulents, hanging plants. You just have to choose the plant that fits your home style. So as you can see, these are bonsai plants. So bonsai plants are usually, it starts from a range of 800 and it keeps going based on the size and the type of plant you're choosing. Then here you can see snake plants. It's an indoor plant. It looks very beautiful when you keep inside your home. So you can choose as per your requirement. And the size also you can choose. If you want smaller plants for a smaller area, you can choose accordingly, and so on. It's always confusing to choose from a larger quantity of plants. So we have finally come up and brought few plants, some ferns, some money plants, aloe veras, and some palm tree. Here the plant that you can see is philodendron plant. So this is one of the plant and planter that I have got recently. So you can place this the similar way in your foyer area. I have shown you other videos also where I have taught you how you can easily create a foyer area look in your home. So you can go and watch that video also, how in different ways you can create a foyer area. So this is one of the ways where I have used a Buddha, some candles, stand and candle holders, and decorated this space. So here I'll show you another succulent plant that I've got. So this one is a zebra plant, zebra succulent. So this is a very beautiful succulent and it's easy to maintain. You just have to sprinkle some water in the soil, and you can keep it indoors, and this gives a really cute and beautiful look to your house. There is no thorns on it, so you can keep even if you have kids at home. It has some stripes on them, so maybe it's called as zebra plant. So this looks very cute when you place it in one corner. It's very cute and tiny little plant. So next I have placed this planter on my center table, used a candle and some antique pieces, accessorize it, and you will, with very little thing, you can easily create a very beautiful space. So the link of the planters, the pots that I have, the ceramic pots that I have got, I have put in the description below. You can go and watch them. This shop has a very good collection of planters and pots. So if you want, you can visit their website and choose accordingly. So if you're a person who can't maintain plants, you can even decor your home using the artificial plants. So we have a wide range and wide variety nowadays in the market where you can buy different types of planters. So using them also you can beautify your home and the space. Adding a simple accent piece that you already have at home along with your planter gives and make you feel that you are created a very new space in your home. I have added an antique piece to each and every planter that I have showed you. So it enhances your space and gives a very beautiful look to that particular space. So you can try the same in your home. Hope that today's video was very useful to you and you can use them in your day-to-day life. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you and teach you how we can make a very antique and a unique planter for your home. And as I always say, if you are watching my video for the first time, then do not forget to like my video, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you won't miss on any of my new videos which is being uploaded. So if you don't press the bell icon, you won't get any notification and you will miss my videos. You can also join in my Instagram ID. The link is given below. So you will get more updates on my channel and lot of photographs, pictures on home decoration tips and DIYs and travel in my Instagram. So you can join me also in my Instagram account. So see you next time. Till then, take care, be safe and be happy.